In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your TurboTax account. If you want to permanently request the deletion of your TurboTax account, the process is fairly straightforward, but it's important to go slowly and make sure each step is completed correctly. This request is handled through Intuit's privacy portal, so everything begins in your web browser. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to privacy.intuit.com. This is the official Intuit privacy website, where you can manage privacy-related requests connected to services like TurboTax. Waiting for the correct page to load is important because this ensures you're using the official portal rather than a third-party site. When the page opens, sign in using your TurboTax credentials. Enter the email address or user ID and password connected to your account, then continue through the sign-in process. If you're already signed in, you may be taken directly to the privacy options. If not, just follow the prompts until your account is fully authenticated. Make sure you're signing into the correct account, especially if you have more than one Intuit login. After you're signed in, look for the option that says Delete My Data and click it. This option is specifically designed for users who want to request permanent deletion of their account data. Before selecting anything else, take a moment to read the information shown on the screen. In many cases, deletion requests are permanent and may affect access to tax documents, account history, or other connected information, so it's a good idea to understand what the request means before moving forward. Once you click Delete My Data, follow the verification steps provided on screen to permanently submit your account deletion request. These verification steps are there to confirm your identity and protect your information from unauthorized changes. Depending on your account settings, you may be asked to confirm details, receive a security code, or complete another form of identity check. Just follow each prompt carefully until the request is submitted successfully. After everything is completed, watch for any confirmation message on the screen or in your email that shows your deletion request has been received. If you don't see confirmation right away, double check that you completed every verification step before closing the page. That's it. Once the request has been submitted through the Intuit privacy portal, you've completed the process of requesting deletion of your TurboTax account.